Hello everyone and welcome back to another Pokemon Auto Chess video. Let's see what the Deep Dusk Forest is reserving for us. Okay, let's get the Kinto start rolling. And yeah, let's have this pair. I'm trying to learn how to play Psychic. Yeah, every time that I go for Psychic from a baby opener, I just get crushed. Just lost yet another Psychic game. And yeah, I mean, you gotta learn, right? One way or the other, so let's keep trying playing Psychic, I guess. Not that it means that we're gonna be playing Psychic this game, but I think you got the gist. Interesting start though. Very interesting start. Yeah, let's make this amulet coin. Probably gonna be dropping this on you. No babies, so I don't think that this is a baby game. Yeah, I don't think this is a baby game. No other normals. We are still in Spearow, so I guess we can roll once to see if we find a wild unit. Which we do not, but we do spot two babies. So let me... didn't have enough time. Let's just lock the Azuri in the shop and see if we go for a baby game. Especially with that tier, I don't think I want to be playing or forcing wild with a tier. Yeah. That being said, what do we want here? Let's grab the other tier so that we have an Aqua Egg if we need to. And fantastic, we have 3 baby. So let's put the babies in and get the party started. Ooh, that doesn't sound that great. Yeah, it sounds like something that P. Diddy would have said. So yeah. uh, okay, I stop being silly. uh, Wait, what? I eat cement. Huh. Okay, buddy. You do you, I guess. Yeah, let's grab that hard scale and put another baby in. Yeah, I'll have to order some baby oils. Yeah, stop. I swear I'll stop. So anyone else playing babies? Yeah, that guy is. So I think it's in our best interest to do like that. Make the Pichus have to walk up, while the squishy units absorb most of the damage, I guess. Yeah, if I knew that we were going to be doing babies, I probably wouldn't have built Sablet coin. I'll much rather have the components set ready when I need. But I mean, not much we can do about that anymore. So yeah, definitely not going for Pikachu. Ooh, that's a strong normal unit. Yeah, that's a very strong normal unit. Let's see what we end up going for then. I would love to see some normal gaming in this channel, so if the odds are in our favor, then I'll definitely be trying to build a normal team. I find normal to be quite strong, if you ask me. Quite strong. Like the shield it provides is big, which means that the units have a lot of time to cast its spells and get the items like upgrade and so deal rolling. So yeah, I do believe that normal is a strong comp. It's hard countered by fighting and steel, since steel deals a bunch of true damage that goes right through the shield. And fighting, it tosses you around, removing the shield and stuff. So yeah, that's bad. Well, we do have a Rufflet, which is a interesting ghost unit. And we have some interesting ghost ad picks, I guess. Let's see if they pick Golett. It's not looking like it, to be honest. So yeah. I'll slot the 5th baby in. Even though it doesn't make baby 5, but that's 50% chance of getting another egg, which translates to econ, so yeah. It's definitely worth it in my opinion. I'll lock this normal in the shop. We might be going for it now. Yeah, let's slot our normies in, and we do have a muscle band for you, which is amazing. And look at that, even more normal units. Let's slot some wild as well, for that extra power boost on our melee targets, melee units I mean. Let's make you guys go like this. And you are definitely holding the amulet coin. And I think that this team is golden against Gyarados. Might be wrong, but we will see. Yeah, team's looking solid indeed. Grab you. And that's a Jigglypuff already. Yeah, let's try to hop in the normal portals here. Yeah, we got in the normal sound. Not that bad. Not that bad. Do we go Kang? Not sure. Do we go sound normal? Probably better than Kangaskhan, to be honest. So yeah, I guess let's go sound normal. You are a range 3, so yeah, I gotta do like this. I gotta do like this. We'll slot in the better units next round. Oh, we over. Sell you. We are losing as expected. Which is bad, that's a lot of HP. But that's expected. don't think we could have gone for King Iskander. I don't think he is great on pure normal, even though normal does overlap a lot with sound, with wild I mean. I still don't believe that we should have gone for him at that point. So what do we do? Probably this. And we are level 6 already, so that's normal 5. Okay. Let's slot you in the middle so that you can get a greater shield. And let's start leveling. So what are we looking for? Definitely a grass seed for him to evolve. A Fluette. What else? And the ultras, right? Yeah. The Bunnery and the Chansey, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. Nice. Yeah, this Brave Bird flying away with the target is really good. I like the idea of the ability. So yeah, let's definitely go for this seed right there. And nice, you got it. We should be on the hunt for a Fabebe. So let's hunt for her. There you are, girl. Hello. Do we slotting a lot of psychic unit? Don't think so. I think it's in our best interest to preserve the normal 5 for now. But I mean, I'll grab you just in case, I guess. Can we evolve you? I don't think we can in this, yeah. You are a regional. You are a regional girl. So I don't think I can go evolving you, sadly. This Aqua Egg is definitely for you. And I need you to evolve. You are already doing a lot without being evolved. Imagine when you evolve. Nice. Ooh, look at that. Look who we found. Yeah, I'll definitely break Econ for the extra level. That will give us sound for... I mean, are we even breaking Econ like that? We can just sell you. Great. What are we looking for at the Mewtwo round? More mana? And probably a half scale to build a Pokédoll. Yeah, that's probably what we are looking for. Oh boy. We are getting our ass kicked. Let's buy you. Didn't see that you were there. I think you are much better than this, since I cannot evolve that. Yeah, let's fish for some evolutions, I guess. That's another Flabebe. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I think you are appearing in the shop just because I sold you. So yeah. Sell you. Oh, sorry about that. My throat is a little bit sick, so yeah. Okay, another never melt ice. I'll definitely grab the black glasses, I guess, for the wonder box. And I'll drop this on you since I'll probably be selling you. Most definitely, to be honest, be selling you for another melee unit. Let's roll twice. Oh, that's an explode. Let's roll one more time then. Okay, do we have the bug sound unit? No, we don't. We do not. That would be good with you since Beautifly is also normal. So we could get the sound 6, normal 5 or 7 or whatever. Pretty sure it's gonna be normal 5. And bug 2 with you. So yeah. Are we winning those? Damn, why? Brew just went like 1,000 miles per hour here in his motorcycle. Hopefully my noise suppressor was enough for you guys to have not the need to hear that. But anyway, yeah, that bug sound unit would have been good here, the cricket tune. Yeah, we need to be saving sound units as well, because we are going to need them at Lugia stage for sound 6 there. Maximize the chances that we find a, what's it called, a Meloera. Yeah, we definitely need Meloera. We are almost at level 8. Let's grab this half scale for the Pokédoll. And this Pokédoll is most definitely going to the Staraptor. I mean, it's not yet a Staraptor. It's gonna be a Staraptor, but you get what I mean. Mr. I Eat Cement. Do we break Econ, but for what? I don't have any huge power spike at the moment, so I don't think we break Econ. We could slot a Psychic in, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Mainly because our HP is quite low, so let's try to maximize the chance of surviving. Oh, and this dude has 3 tier 3 units. We are definitely losing this, I suppose. Unless... never mind, I guess. Never mind. Yeah, that was definitely that extra psychic unit in that made that difference. I'm 100% positive on that. Yeah, you even did decent damage. And boosted our Chimecho damage output as well. So very nice, thank you. I guess. You are better, so... come on! Okay. At wrong spot, but... come on, don't let this mistake cost me this round. I need the HP. Okay, looking fine. Let's buy you 2. And we need 1 extra sound unit here. Should not be that hard to find, to be honest. So yeah, let's roll a little bit. Looking carefully here. Wailord. You are indeed very interesting, brother. Didn't know you were in the game. Don't think we are gonna be... yeah, we are not gonna have a slot for you though in the team. So you can hold this for now. And I know we lose sound if we do that. I was thinking that since Meloetta is also a normal type, we could have had like normal 5 here, but we would lose sound if we do that. Thankfully we didn't. Okay, that's 2 sound portals right in front of us. And we got one. Nice. We got one. Another one. And this is not a sound region. That's bad. Not gonna lie, that's bad. Yeah, you are definitely having this, and I'll place you guys like that. Choice Scarf won't hit 50% basic attack damage to the lowest health adjusted enemy. I mean, yeah, I guess my range units can have this. And I don't need routes anymore. We're probably not going for Psychic too. We'll try to slot in the Ultras now. Oh, can we win against this field team though? Ooh, we can. Nice. Very strong unit. Staraptor. Fantastic. So what's in our best interest to do here? Do we level up or do we roll? Leveling up would actually just put another body in the field, which is fine. We can roll twice now with better amount of gold. Yeah, and buy some EXP. Why are you appearing? Yeah, it's a fighting region, that's why. Another field player, ooh. But we handle it. Fairly decent if you ask me. Fairly decently. Ooh, that's interesting. A lot of decent items here. I went for the greedy route and grabbed the Soul Deal. Psychic Stun would have been good. Auto Soul Deal is better. There's an Aqua Egg, I didn't realize that. Pokédoll is good. So yeah, let's Soul Deal you. And I do believe that we are going for level 9 here. At level 9 we have a higher chance to find our Ultras, so there's that. And we want 3 of them. We want the Chansey, the Lopunny for sure, and the Altaria. We are slotting Altaria instead of you. Chansey is gonna be the extra slot at level 9, and the Lopunny will go instead of Sentret. Yeah, we are gonna be rocking like that. Which means we do not need any epic units, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we are close for the Floriges, so I do believe that we want the uncommons to hold on the uncommons, take them out of the pool, so yeah. Oh, Staraptor is such a god. What a strong Pokemon. Damn it. What a strong Pokemon. Okay. There's the Swablu. You are out. That's you. And where are my Ultras? Oh, a Floete. You'll have to see it. Let's hold this other Ultra. Lucky Egg it is. And this gives AP, so that's probably yeah. What's going on you? Come on, where are our Ultras? There's one. Good stuff. Double Floete, it's crazy funny to be honest. Yeah, OP as fuck. Especially if they get to live like that. Casting like it's none of their business, but I guess, yeah. Bye bye, Double Floete. It was good while it lasted. Now I have a Florius. It does heal twice the AP, so yeah, it's not a double cast like a double Floete would be, but still not complaining. Not complaining at all. Yeah, let's keep rolling. We need to find our Ultras. Mainly the Lopunny. Yeah, sound is really crazy when it gets its units like this. Aquag. That mini scarf is good as well. Let's see if we can get the Aquag. And no. So let's grab the mini scarf for Florges. Okay. That's a mini scarf for you, baby. Oh, there you are. Let's evolve you and slot you in like this. That team is looking decent. It's definitely looking decent. I just wanted a Pokénomicon. Is it asking too much? I mean, I guess it is, right? A Pokénomicon would be really crazy with the units that I have at the moment. Okay. Yeah, let's keep rolling. I think, yeah, ooh, nice. I think we got the game in our hands at the moment. Don't see ourselves losing anymore, especially if we get the evolution there, so let's keep rolling, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's all that we can roll for now. Yeah. Oh, that's a downstone. Yeah. That translates to 110 AP in total. That's 50 for you, 50 for you, and extra 10 from the downstone, so that's actually better than the choice specs. Which is quite impressive if you ask me. Where is Lopunny? Come on, let's get Lopunny at least for the end game. Scream. The end game screen, let's go. Lopunny, where are you, girl? There's no fucking way that I'm gonna be evolving my tier Chubby. Alright. Yeah, we got into time. Nice. So yeah guys, that's normal sound for you. I hope you have learned one thing or two with this video. And if you enjoyed and want to see more, please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!